this very powerful hadith that I promise you, if you wrote it down and you reminded yourself of it every day, inshallah you will find happiness. Where he sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, there's no fatigue, there is no disease, there is no sorrow, there is no sadness, there's no hurt, there's no pain, there's no distress, not even something so small like when you're putting your hijab on and the needle pricks you for a second. That second of pain, except that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala expiates some of their sins for that. Wouldn't it make you happy to know that when you are hurting, your pain is not in vain? Your pain is being rewarded. Your pain has a purpose. And the purpose of that pain is to get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala when it really matters.